the few basic things about Ayurveda is a tridosha based theory, is the three humors of the body: the Vata, the Pitta, and the Kapha. If I have to simplify these, the Vata is basically something which is composed of space plus air. That is the lightest of the five elements of the world, out of which the whole universe is made. When I say space, it is not limited to a hollow space, but it is something which can attract, or which has the capacity to fill. Then there is air. Air basically here means anything which has movements. So this is the Vata dosha. Then we have the Pitta dosha. It can signify metabolism. It can signify your fire. It can signify the heat in your life. And then the third humor of the body, or the third dosha of the body, is the Kapha dosha. The Kapha dosha is made up of the heaviest of these five elements, out of which the whole universe is made. It is the water and the earth. But when I say water, it is not just simply the water or H2O. It is basically any kind of fluid. And the earth, which doesn't only represent the earth, but it represents anything which is solid and anything which is heavy or which has some form. So these are the three doshas of the body, and Ayurveda generally classifies everything into these three. Now, every dosha has a particular symptom attached to it. Like the Kapha dosha has heaviness attached to it and itching sensation. If you have itching in your body, you can understand there is somewhere disturbance of the Kapha dosha. If you have burning in your body, or if you have heat sensation in your body, or you have excess anger or irritability, you can understand that is because of your Pitta dosha disturbance. And then comes our point, that is the pain. Pain is always associated to the Vata dosha. The Vata dosha, which is comprises of the space and air, or ether and air, you can say. According to Ayurveda, there are a lot of words. We use Sanskrit, and Sanskrit, is a beautiful language. With a single word, you can amplify or mean a lot of meanings. And so pain, according to Ayurveda, has many names: Ruk, Ruja, Vedana, Shul, and different kinds of pain depending on the intensity and depending on the conditions. But at present, if we want to talk about generalized pain, we can say Shul is one of the appropriate terms for it, and Vata dosha is the main causative factor which will cause pain in your body. But as you know, we always say that Ayurveda is a holistic system of medicine. So when I say I have to treat pain, I have to concentrate on Vata dosha, and you will always experience that when your Vata dosha is disturbed, it will cause pain, obviously, yes, but along with that, it is going to cause constipation. It is a symbol of some kind of denourishment in your body, or malnourishment, what we say. You may have dryness in your body. Your skin may be extremely dry. You need to apply a lot of moisturizers. You have roughness in your body, roughness in your voice. You may be suffering from hard stools or constipation. So when we say we treat pain in Ayurveda, we actually treat the Vata dosha, and along with that, we treat all the associated symptoms as well. The basic thing is, as I said, that we have a holistic approach towards everything. Even in diagnosis, as I told you, that when we diagnose pain, we also diagnose other symptoms. We see other symptoms, and we see if there are certain other associated doshas into this. As I said, like Vata dosha will create pain, obviously, yes. But sometimes you also may have burning sensation along with it. So then you have to take care of the Vata and the Pitta dosha as well, right? The fire and the air, both. So then you have to select treatments in accordance to that.